Hi guys, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia back with another video. This video is sponsored by a company called African Mall on IG, and I'm going to attach the information down in the description box below. So here's the packaging. I'm just taking the wig out of the box. It came with a stocking cap and an adjustable strap, and I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like once you take off the netting. It did have a little bit of static to it, but some wigs do get like that, so I'm just going to give it the benefit of the doubt and see how she is when we press her out. So as always, this wig has the standard 3 combs in the top and the 1 comb in the back. I'm just going to show that to you guys really quickly. Excuse me. Sorry that I'm sniffling. I'm in the garage. It's cold, and I think I'm getting cold, but I'm going to keep doing this. So this is how the hairline looks naturally, and I'm just going to go in and pluck it as always. I'm going to use a spray bottle to saturate the hair and just go in and make this hairline look a little bit more realistic. But overall, the lace looks really good, and I'm really happy. I will say that this is a 150% density 13x4 lace frontal wig, and this is 24 inches. So 24 inches on me, because I'm 5'2", is like damn near touching my butt. But I just wanted to let you guys know that. Also, they gave me a discount code for you guys, so if you use the code Cassandra Olivia, you will get 12% off your order. But I'm done rambling for now. I'm in here sniffling and struggling, so I'm going to just let this play, and I'll be back for the next part. Okay, so this is how the wig looks once I'm done customizing it, and it's to my liking. This is how it looks after I'm completely done. And as you can see, the knots are already pre-bleached. I did go ahead and bleach over them again just to be on the safe side, and this is how much hair I plucked out. I plucked a lot of hair out this hairline, but it looks amazing. So yeah, it's supposed to be pre-bleached, but I'm actually going to bleach it now, and I'm going to come back in the next part of the video. So now she's been bleached and washed. I'm going to tag this hot comb underneath in the description box and the flat iron that I use also, but I'm just going to go in with my flat iron first and my hot comb and get this hair nice and straight. I want to make sure that it's not any like lumps and humps in the top, and that it sits super flat on my hair. So she's all pressed out, and I just want to show you guys how long this wig is. She was super long on me. I'm only 5'2", so it was like super long. So yeah, I'm just popping her on, just placing it where I want it to go when I sit this on my head. I'm actually going to put a little bit of Got2b gel on the left and right side because I want to see how she looks when you pull her back. And she was giving me realistic vibes even before I put the foundation on. As you can see, this lace is not my correct color, but that's because it's transparent lace, so it's actually like a lack of pigment in the lace, so there's no color to it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my foundation. I'm using the ColourPop 175 and 155 mixed together with the Juvia's Place brush, and I'm just spreading that out on a little palette first, and I'm going to smooth this product all over the lace. Disclaimer, because I'm doing this method, there's going to be a little bit of concealer on the hair, but don't worry, I'm just going to take a wet towel and wipe the concealer off. I put a little bit of makeup remover by Neutrogena on the towel, and I wiped it off, but you can use water, honestly, it works, but I just was trying to get this done, so I started adding the Neutrogena makeup remover, and look, she's completely off. So now I'm just positioning where I want her to be, and now I'm just going to start to cut the lace. And as you can see already, she's already starting to look super flawless, and she's not even glued down. It looks super natural with minimal effort, and I love when frontals look like this because it just helps make the melt look better when you do glue it down, and it just creates that perfect illusion. So again, I'm going in with my Got2b gel, the black one, and I'm just tacking the sides down and letting those dry because I wanted to see how this looks when it's all pulled back. And so far so good. I'm just waiting for it to dry, so I'm going to tie it down with a scarf, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back. So now she's all dry. I'm just going in and making sure that all the hairs are not sticking to the gel, and I'm just slicking everything back nice and neat. So she is glueless in the top and just has the gel on the sides. I just wanted to run my comb through so you guys can see how flat she's laying. And oh my God, I was feeling this lane. This is like stripper length, like I'm about to like stunt on you length. I'm going out to the club length, don't mess with me. But this is not realistic for me because I'm super short, so I'll be sitting on it. So now I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and make sure that the front is laying nice and neat. And so far so good. I'm really loving how this lace is looking. It looks super realistic. I did have to do a little bit of plucking, but besides that, I'm loving how smooth it is. It's not thick at all. It's very flexible. And yeah, it's giving me like this natural hairline look that I'm really feeling. So I'm just going to run my fingers through at the end and show you guys how this looks. And don't forget to always like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. And check out the information. It'll be in the description box down below. Everybody have a wonderful evening, and I will see you guys in the next video, honey.